Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary Moparians, the legendary Scat Packians, courtesy of the Challengians. That's right, the Scat Packians are back and ready for some good old-fashioned foot to fire, foot to pavement action. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Challengians down, or will the Scat Packians do what they love to do? Take those Moparian toes and put the beat down on the devil and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Scat Packian Challenger in the building. That's a good color. You rarely see that blue color. What color is that? It ain't. I forgot what blue this is. Oh, see, out of there. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foots in hell. Here come my Scat Packian toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Oh, he moving. I love the way that camera's jumping. Make me feel like I'm in there with him. There's traffic, Mike. We're against him. It's a lot of traffic. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He moving in that Scat Pack. Scat attack. Oh, he lit up by a gang of cops. Man, he moving. He running like I was running on report card day. I knew I was getting a whooping. I knew I had all F's. I was just trying to get home to get my last bowl of cereal before I got that whooping. They keeping up with him though. They definitely. Well, I ain't gonna say they keeping up because he pulling away. He getting smaller and smaller. I lied. He weaving in and out of traffic like he in a BMW. Why is this cop keeping up with it? We gotta call this cop guy. Maybe he got a scat too. I don't know where this is. I feel like I'm in the passenger seat because the camper jumping so much. I love it. This cop is hawking him down. Get over here, little bitch. He on him like a black man on a big booty. You can't shake us. We love those big rumps. Man, I love Scat Packs, man. They know they be moving. Them some fast cars. I don't care what nobody say. He moving. Long as he don't get on that dookie juice with Francisco, he might get away. Under no circumstances. Under no circumstances do you let Francisco take the wheel. You doing good. Do not let Francisco take over. Under no circumstances. This traffic definitely hurting him. Yeah, the traffic is definitely hurting him. Where'd he go? I don't see him. I lost him. Where is he at? Oh, I see him. I see him. He can't get away because there's too much traffic. That traffic is hurting him. Shout out to the Scat Packians. He trying to go to infinity and beyond. He trying to take it to NASA like my shirt. Hit the aftermarket rockets. He way up there. I see him. Y'all see him? He way up there. But the cop can still see him. As long as the cop can see you, you can be caught. They probably got a telly chopper out there on him too, because it looked like they was on him. There's probably a striker, y'all. Is that a telly chopper up there? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Is that him? Oh, it's two Scat Packs. A Charger and a Challenger. I thought that was them. I know they was scared. You know they thought that was the cops was on them. Everybody know in the Mopar, if you see lights behind you, you panic. If you in the Mopar, you see lights behind you, you know they coming to get you, even if they not. It's hard to escape because they got all type of cameras on that highway too. It's just hard to get away in this day and age. They got cameras on the highway. He got a chopper. He got the radio. He got a whole bunch working against him. On top of that, he got the drivers in the cars telling on him. They pointing to where he went. Was that him? That looked like that was him. I think they lost him, y'all. I think they might have lost him. Lost him like your baby mama lost her mind. Always complaining, even though you doing everything you can for that little rugrat. She always got her lip poked out. Shut up and take this child support. I think they lost him. He might have pulled a Harry Potter Protector Patrona. Oh, did he get away? Nah, that ain't him, man. He might have got away a few minutes later, or moments. He better not still be on the streets. He better not. Where's he at? Is he still on the streets? I know you lying. I know you lying. Go home, dummy. Man, come on. These young punks will never learn. You got away. Why are you still out there driving? Doofus McGoofus. I guess he said if I got away once, I can do it again. This is insane. You got away one time. You want to do it again? That boy got some big old cashews. Young people think they invincible. You got away, bro. You supposed to go home. You supposed to park that car, man, and go home, bro. Why you still driving around? It's a striker. You can get another one. I got the intersection for you. He probably couldn't dump the car because it probably got some stuff in it. He might be moving that weight in some secret compartment, so he can't afford to dump it. Look at him. Yeehaw! He got his foot all the way down the hill. He got the whole city on him. Talking about a Scat Pack ain't fast. I can't tell. You lied to me. It ain't super fast, but it's definitely fast. Days of Thunder. Who remember the movie Days of Thunder with Tom Cruise in the mellow yellow? Y'all might be too young for that.
All right, we're trying to reel him in. Still southbound Washington. Somebody get to 285. That's where he's going to be. We're headed to anyway.
Where is this, Georgia? Oh, you almost hit that cop car.
Good spike.
He got spiked?
Looks like maybe 285 south. APD's got leads now.
No, it's my. I think this is Atlanta, y'all. You know Atlanta, they got all the strikers. You can't take your car to Atlanta if you got a Mopar. It's gonna become a striker. They're gonna steal it from you. Look at all them cops. Did they get him? I know you lying. Ah, come on. Oh my goodness. Give me your hands, punk. You scumbag. I would try to hide it. How you hide your hands, though? Them some big boys, too. They mad, too? And you got a weapon on you? Going to jail for a long time, punk! I'm trying to see what he look like. He got a hoodie on in 1,000 degrees weather. It's 1,000,000 degrees, he got a hoodie on. It's a Pookie, y'all. It's 1,000,000 degrees outside. He got a sweater on, a tight one at that. Give your little brother a sweater back. Diabolical, man. Meet me in the comments. The Scat Packies have struck again. He got away, y'all. He got away, and he hard-headed. That's what you call hard-headed. You get away, and yet still you don't want to go park the striker. Listen, why are you attached to a stolen car? Only reason I think he kept that car is he had some stuff in there. He had some stuff in there that he couldn't afford to lose. Because if he lost that, the connect was going to go crazy. He already done lost some work before. If he lose this work, well, you know what that means. Your life. He couldn't afford to let this car go. So that's probably why he kept on cruising around, because he got away. He got away. He used the traffic to his advantage. He knew how to drive. I'm not going to sit here and act like he didn't know how to drive. He knew what he was doing. Only thing he didn't know, he wasn't a thinker. Go park the car, lock it, park it somewhere where you know they probably can't find it, and come back and get it in a couple of days. Dummy. Moving. Look at, he was moving. People that say Scats ain't fast, you a lie. Now they not super fast, but they definitely fast. And bricks on wheels, but they definitely fast. But homeboy got away. He got away, and he just could not stop driving it. I don't understand why you would keep driving. But meet me in the comments, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know why y'all think he kept running when he got away, because he clear as day got away. I don't know why he would keep driving around. When you got away, you just got away. Or maybe he just didn't have time. Maybe they did have a telechopper out there, and the telechopper may have spotted him, which that's why he was still driving, because maybe he was driving to the drop-off point. He was going to drop that bad boy off. He just didn't have the time. They caught back up with him. That could be a strong possibility, too. We ain't going to hold too much against him, because the boy could drive. The boy could drive. Pookie knew what he was doing behind that Mopar wheel, behind those 485 horses of hellhounds. Oh, no, hell steeds. But with that being said, meet me in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this police chase. Shout out to State Boys. I said shout out to State Boys. Welcome back. We missed you, my playboy. But with that being said, make sure you get in those comments, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit me with some of those good old-fashioned hype points. Drop them in the Avengers Cup if you got some. If you ain't got none to spare, a good like, a good comment, and just a good old-fashioned share to all your social medias, and let them know T like the King Werewolf is dropping that fire content, reactions, lot reviews, car reviews, just good old T like cars, whatever you want, he dropping it. And with that being said, let me leave y'all with some positivity. Don't be afraid to pat yourself on the back. It's okay to pat yourself on the back. It's okay to pop your stuff a little bit. If you worked hard and you earned it, it's okay to be proud of yourself. If somebody tell you you being cocky because you proud of yourself, just laugh at them and keep doing what you're doing, because I'm proud of you, Werewolf Pack. If you're making some dreams come true, you're catching some of those dreams, big shout out to you because you deserve it. Pat yourself on the back because you're winning. My young werewolves, my old werewolves, my middle-aged werewolves, I love you. And until the next time, if you're going to be a diabolican, listen to me, because I need you to listen to me good, because we don't condone running. But if you're going to be a diabolican, a doofus, magoofus, and turn that diabolicism all the way up to the max, can you please, now listen to me now, listen good, can you please avoid the spike strip?